children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, okay? The web of life, okay? What does it mean by web? A connection, okay? Connection of life, okay? So this is a new lesson and topic for us, okay? We will see. The overview are, in this lesson we will read a story about a hardworking spider. So in this lesson we are going to learn a story, okay, about a hardworking spider. Learn words to describe people's place and objects, okay, and then use words in place of naming words. So these are the things we are going to see in this lesson. Shall we move to the lesson? See. Look at the picture first. Actually, according to the picture, you can easily understood what's had happened, okay. Stretch. Okay. See. Stretch both your hands up. This is first picture. Then second one is slowly bend forward and go down. Slowly you have to bend and go forward down. And then third one, try to touch your feet. Don't bend your knees. Okay. So it's like one kind of exercise. I hope you know this exercise. So you have to touch your feet, but you should not bend your knees. Okay. This is one. The second one is, take your right hand behind your neck, behind your head, okay. So you have to take your right hand behind your head. Try to touch your nose with your finger. You have to touch your nose with your finger, okay, just this side. Try till you can do it. So it is not an easy thing, okay. You have to try, can do it. Okay, and the next one, where the exercise is easy to do. So you have to do this exercise and you have to answer for these things. So listen, do you give up easily or did you keep it trying? So are you give up this, otherwise, okay, if you can't in one first time, otherwise second time means, or you give up that exercise, otherwise are you trying to complete that. So you have to answer for these areas. Shall we move? Listen, meet Itsy Bitsy, a spider who tried very hard to do something. Read to know more about how it did this. So you know Inksy Winksy spider, okay. So meet Itsy Bitsy, a spider who tried very hard to do something, okay. So what it did something we have to know from this story. See, what is the story for us? Actually the lesson is the king and the spider. What's the lesson is? King and the spider. See, there was a king named Robert Bruce. He lived in Scotland. So he was a king of Scotland. What's the name of the king? Robert Bruce. He lost his country. He lost his country in a war. War, you know. What does it mean by war? A fight between two or more groups or a countries. Okay. So I hope no need to explain more about what is war. He ran away to save his life. So he lost everything in that war. So he ran away from the place and to save his life. Okay. He was all alone now. Nobody with him. Okay. She is alone in somewhere. King Bruce reached a forest. Actually, if he want to hide himself means he had to move from the place of the peoples. Okay. So he moved to the forest. He went inside a cave, okay, there is a cave in a forest, so he went inside the cave. He was sad and hungry, definitely, he felt so sad and also he felt hungry too. He thought, I have no country, I have lost everything, there is no hope. So, what the king thought when he entered into the cave, I have nothing, okay. I have lost my country, I have lost everything, so there is no hope in my life, he thought actually. The king Bruce saw a spider in the cave. It was trying to spin a web. So he thought everything about his life, okay. I lost everything, there is no way to lead my life. Just like that he thought. And the time he saw a spider is spinning a web, okay, spider's web. Spin, which means make or build, that is called a spin. A web is a trap made by a spider to catch food. Okay, here a spider web, which means why it's making that web means it's a trap, it's a kind of trap made by a spider to catch food, okay, to catch some insects. That's a food for that spider. Okay, there was a strong wind, the web tore. Okay, what had happened actually? So the first time it built the web. Okay, what had happened? In a strong wind, the web, what happened? Tore. Okay, it's not in a proper size, it's torn. The spider tried again. The spider won't give up. Okay, it started to spin the web again. Again the strong wind blew, the spider fell down. Okay, so what had happened? Again the wind blows, the spider, even the spider fell down from that web, and the web also tore. It got up and started spinning the web again. This happens many times. So again it started to spin the web. Maximum it has completed 90%. Then the wind blows, everything were torn, otherwise the spider will fell down. So again and again and again, it's happened so many times, not even a single time. Okay, it's happened, it's a continuous process like that, but the spider is not ready to give up. Okay, so it again and again started to spin the web. So the king said, "Oh, little spider, you should give up. The wind is too strong for you." So what the king, actually the king is watching everything, you know, in the he's sitting inside the cave. But the king said, "Oh, poor spider, just you give up because you can't. The wind is blows heavily. Okay, so try to stop this. You should not. You can't." Just like that. Some kinds of he's not motivating the spider. Okay, he said, "You can't." He said, "Little spider, you should give up. You have to give up. You can't." Just like that he said, the wind is too strong. How the wind? It's not an ordinary air. It's a wind is too strong for you. So you can't. The king said. However, the spider did not give up. It tried spinning the web 6 times. Okay. Each time the wind tore the web. The 7th time the spider finally built its web fully. Okay. Actually, what had happened? The spider won't hear the words of the king. Okay, it started to spin its web again and again. How many times had taken? 6 times. There is no use for that 6th time. In that 6th time also, the spider's web has torn. Okay, but it won't ready to give up. We have to know something from this. We have to learn something from this spider. Okay, the spider won't ready to give up. I can, it thought, and at the last, okay, the 7th time it built its web superbly. Okay, finally built its web fully. This time the web was strong. How the web was? This time it was too strong. It did not tear even when a strong wind blows. So how it built its web? It's built its web in a stronger way. Even the strong wind blows, which means also it can't tear that web. Okay. King Bruce thought, this little spider tried so hard, it is very brave. How can I give up so easily? I should fight back. So from this incident, the king thought, even a small insect, a spider, did not ready to give up its action. Okay, it's not ready to give up. Okay, it won't accept its failure. It's the very next time, or after so many times. Okay, after 6th time, 7th time, who built its web in a strong way, the wind can't tear it. Okay, it can't do anything. So the king, why I give up my country? Okay, actually he was a king of so many peoples. He should not give up like that. Okay, he should not say, "Oh, I can't. I lost everything." He has to fight for his country and also the people. So the king thought, "Okay, why should I give up? So I have to try it again. I have to fight my enemies. Otherwise, the other country, again, I have to conduct a war like that, and I have to protect myself too." And he has to know how to fight with others in a right way. The tricks and techniques he has to know. So, okay, now the king understood what is life. Okay, this is, which is not very easy. We can't give up. You should not give up easily. Okay, as a children, if you can't able to write clearly, otherwise your handwriting is poor. Otherwise, some words are not easy for you to speak. Otherwise, pronunciate. Otherwise, the spelling you can't means you should not give up. Okay, you have to say what you have to do. I can. First, you have to console your mind, otherwise heart. Okay, you have to console yourself and you have to do your work properly. Okay, this is fight back. He said, he told the spider, you taught me a great lesson today. Thank you. So the king said the spider, okay, today you taught me a great lesson. From you alone I taught a very good lesson in my life. So I won't give up. In the same way, we also should not give up things. Okay, if you can't get first place, you have to think, okay, where is the lacking of us? Otherwise, your handwriting is not good. You should do. Okay, you have to use a 4-line note, otherwise 2-line note, and you have to write it. Okay, try it. Without any without practice, you can't get anything. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you learned the lesson from the lesson how we have to be. Okay, thank you for watching this video, children. Thank you very much.